What's up, hold on. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Nomadic channel. I'm James Showers. This is Yuki. We're about ready to head down the coast, beach hopping. Supposedly, this is the largest cedar in the world, western red cedar, at a height of 178 feet, diameter of 19.4 feet. Pretty exciting stuff, guys. Out here in the middle of nowhere. Do a lot of logging. I'm assuming they don't allow these things to grow this big anymore because they just grow them to sell them.
Mosquitoes here.
Mosquitoes. Oh, they like that Asian blood. Alright, we'll have to get some bug spray. We're going to walk around this thing. We're going to try not to get eaten by mosquitoes, right?
Yeah.
They're out in forest. Look at this. Pretty good sized tree. And she was right. There is quite a bit of mosquitoes out here. Kind of sucks. It's almost like two trees, you know? Because it splits up there at the top. It's pretty boring, to be honest. It's just kind of a tree out in the middle of nowhere. Thought we'd just go here since we were out here. Our first stop on our little tour of beaches is Ruby Beach. We're gonna take a look out the lookout and then we'll walk down the trail to the actual beach. It's not so sunny today, but we're still gonna have some fun. A couple more of those rocks down there. I think we can actually get to this one. That'll be cool. Let's go to it. Let's check it out. This is the trail of the beach. A few more rock formations over there. We can go check all this stuff out. It's not out of reach like it is at the other beach. Cool. Probably the coolest one. It's out here. So many flat rocks, guys. Rock's pretty sweet. Look at that. It looks cool. We're making our way to the big rock. Check it out. We got a couple caves over here. Some people throwing some driftwood on them, trying to make them into little houses. Let's check them out. This is cool. A little fire. Smells recent too. Sweet. Awesome little place to chill out. Is this where we're going to spend the 4th of July? Alright. What are you thinking about now? That crazy cave?
You know I'm thinking about that.
I can see thinking on your face. Every time.
I'm thinking about like people who felt at home a long time ago. Like, they want to find a cave to hide, but then you have to be afraid maybe there's a tiger inside, and how do you fight with tigers?
Especially back in the day, you know?
Back in the day. Like,
how do you fight a tiger? Yeah.
Hiding in the cave.
Well, that's why we started building our own houses. We're like, screw these tigers, man. You can keep your caves. Alright, we're going to the rock. The Rock. An all new episode of The Rock. That's a cool picture, actually. Another lighthouse out there in the distance. Can't really see it so well. Pretty close to this rock now. We got a few caves here we're gonna check out, and then we'll see if we can make it up the mountain somehow. I don't know if we can, but we'll check it out. The water looks pretty nice today. Said even though it's kind of overcast and no sun, it's still pretty nice out here. It's beautiful. Feels good to be on the beach, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. And people were surfing yesterday. I don't know how they can handle it. It's cold. Cold water. Oh, I bet we'll find life forms over here for sure. Let's check it out. Because the water is pooled up. It probably makes little pools, and that's where the life stays when the tide goes out. So let's check them out. Tide pools.
Like the whole family and stuff died here.
Well, they made a good stand. They're that's all just crab shell. That's crazy. Yeah, birds probably just came and pecked them off as they tried. Oh, hey, here's a starfish. On a happier note. Yeah, the birds don't eat the starfish. Look at that. They're close. Orange one and a red one. It smells like not so good in here. I can pee here, huh? Yeah, someone probably already did. It stinks. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at that. Cool beans. Tell me what that actually is. I want to know, guys, in the comments below. I'm just thinking it's an anemone, a sea urchin or something like that, but that's my two guesses. I bet there's gonna be the same kind of life. Some fish, some crabs, some of these urchin things. Really? What happened?
I didn't know it was so soft, and I just kept like those.
Oh, and it smashed it?
Those mushrooms.
Look at the baby starfish underneath this rock. Right there. See it?
Baby starfish underneath. That's like a.
See it?
Color, though.
Yeah, well, it's new. It's brand new. Alright, we're gonna go into this cave.
Wait, how does like
And we got ourselves a hermit crab here, people. He's cruising along. He's making his way somewhere. I just zoom you guys in.
Oh, those are like
no pixels. Pretty sweet. We'll catch that and sell it at the pet market.
You see that thing like eating those fungus? It's like cockroaches. It's not like crab. It's just some kind of stuff.
Well, I'm up against this rock right now. There's a couple pools of water. There's some fish, some crabs, hermit crabs, starfish. What? Don't fall. Be careful. Here, let me go help my wife real quick. There's not really any caves over here, just these rock crevices, and they just go straight up. I don't know. Let's check this out. Not really a mountain climber, but still gonna check this out. Maybe you'd be able to climb up through there, I'm sure. But not today, for me anyways. We'll just walk around the outskirts of this thing. Alright, we've climbed up this section, and we're gonna get as far around the right side of this rock as we possibly can. Could have probably made it up that one side. There's probably a couple spots you could make it up this way too if you're really adventurous, but I don't know. Coming down is the hard part. Sunglasses. Check. Last place was a little bright with the overcast. We're about ready to check out Beach 4. We were looking at that rock over there. There's no way to get to the top, so we just abandoned that adventure. We're checking these ones out. We'll see what we got down here. Are you guys ready? We're ready. Bye. So many steps. So many steps. Oh yeah, 55 exactly.
Probably.
Maybe 54 or 56. I don't know. Yep, walking down here to the beach. Where are you at? She's hiding behind me. She left me. See you guys at the beach. The creek. Cruising on in. Oh yeah, cool. Beach 4, everybody. Some more cool rocks down that way. Along beachfront down this way. We'll show you anything exciting. Let's roll. Come on, you can get that to the beach. Look at all those rocks down there, they look cool. Hey, let's go to that thing. The big rock. Let's go. Oh, this is crazy looking. This is where I fall and die.
This is so cool. This looks like a tree, but it's not.
Oh, look how like the water's just cut through this rock over time. It just looks so cool. Wow, it's like a wall on its side or something. Weird.
Looks like bacon.
Wow. Just the way this layer of earth came together. Like, I don't know, that's crazy. I don't know why, but this looks so cool. All the little holes in all the holes in the rock. And that pool of water back there. It's sweet. Moving on down the beach. Hey, we're almost there to that island. Not too much farther for you guys anyway, so let's fast forward. We'll be there in a jiffy. Look at these cool pools of water over here. Sweet rocks. Yeah. Anemone. I think it's an anemone. I don't know. Can't read. Alright, we're checking these rocks out. We'll let you know if we see anything cool. Oh, almost fell. Here's the rocks, basically. Bunch of water in there. We might climb up on there in a second. We're checking some of these rocks out first so we can get to them.
That's like a cool stuff here. Looks like it's so cool.
Yeah. Deep pools. Look at the shapes of the canals here are pretty cool. They all get shaped by the water. Nice little pools. You get to swim in these. Yeah, it stinks. Oh, here we go. Sweet. I'm assuming that's some kind of water kelp or something, some kind of seaweed. Nice. We got ourselves a crab alert. Crab alert. It's right in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just wanted to say crab alert. Let me get down there a little closer and see if it doesn't run away. Oh, you guys aren't going to be able to see that thing. It's in there eating up the somethings on the side of the rock. You see this, babe? Well, folks, the tide's coming in. We were going to get on that rock, but we don't want to get stranded out there or have to swim ashore, so we're off to the next beach. Yay! Is everyone cheering with us? You guys ready for the next beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, comment down below. Bye. Only crappy part about stairs that go down is you gotta go back up. Yeah.
We have salmon tonight.
Salmon sounds good. Let's do it. We got bacon and steak today for our lunch. Not sure what campground this is, but this is the one that I originally wanted to camp at. We're having some lunch right now. She's got the rice and some steak. I can't pronounce the name of it, but I'll probably put it on the screen. We're at the picnic area right now, having ourselves a little picnic in the truck. And then we're gonna walk down a trail that way somewhere and head on down to this beach. It might be the last beach of the day. And then after this, who knows what we'll do. Maybe we'll hit another beach, so then this won't be the last beach of the day, or we'll just go do something cool and fun. You never know. It's still early, and we're random, and we're having a good day. That's all we're doing, right?
I'm just going to get pancakes later.
And I'm trying to convince her to get pancakes. Shh. Heading to the beach trail.
Beach.
Beach trail. Mother beach trail. It's a song I'm working on for a metal band. There we go. Nice. Real sand. Got real sand on this beach. Nice. Yay. Alright, taking the flip-flops off now. Cool. We're gonna check out the tree of life. It's this tree that's growing over the top of a creek, and that creek is slowly eroded out underneath it, and it's still holding on. I'm pretty sure it's still alive. It's looking pretty dry.
Yeah.
It doesn't have too much water, but yeah, it's still alive for the most part, I think.
It's scary if the water doesn't come, it will die.
Well, it probably comes up here every night. I think it gets all the way up here when the tide's all the way out.
Wow, it's just so cool. Like he just drink water like at a certain time of time.
A certain time of day.
Yeah.
Drinks it when he can.
It's so dry.
You used to have a creek that run through there, but the creek looks like it's dried up. This sand feels so good on the...
Salty water is not healthy for the tree.
Probably not. This beach is pretty long, open. We're gonna enjoy ourselves and then might get some pancakes. Let me know what you guys think about this little beach adventure. Boring, cool, lame, didn't even watch it. Starts turning into rock. Over there is a resort I want to get some pancakes at. And we've traveled quite a ways down this beach. We're going to flip ourselves around, head back to the truck, then make our way out to get some pancakes. It's been pretty nice. The sun's out over here, just slightly shining through the clouds. Heat us up, and these water's not too bad actually. Alright, you ready? Oh, and we found a live sand dollar. It was pretty cool. Sent it back into the ocean, saved its life. Alright, see you guys. Alright, we're at the base of the, I believe, the Ho rainforest. Got a couple trails up there. We're probably gonna just wander around the base and do a small trail if we even hike at all. It's fairly late. Nothing else panned out for us today, and we just kind of figured we'd do this and maybe head to Portland or something tomorrow. I don't know. We'll figure it out in the morning.
Still work.
Yeah, we'll get it to work. They'll accept it. Making our way to the Hall of Moses. Some pretty tall trees out here. I think they call this a rainforest because it's climate. You tired? Getting tired. It's been a long day.
It's fun. It's like chilling right now.
Yeah, it's relaxing. Yeah, let's go to this Hall of Moses, see how great this thing is, and then we'll decide whether or not we're going to take another trail or if we're going to drive back. Oh, is this the Hall of Moses? Oh, we finally made it. It's the same thing as what we just looked at, but we finally made it. So many people here today. Oh, that looks sweet, actually.
Chinese.
Chinese are everywhere.
Yeah.
That other lady, the hippie lady back there.
You know, Chinese, they're so noisy.
You're not Chinese, right? You're a Hong Konger.
I don't know where I am now. Lost my identity.
Well, an American now. Hong Kong American.
Hong Konger. Chinese.
This root system looks pretty sweet. They're like married or something. Those are their children. Birds be pooping on stuff out here in the forest. Damn birds. Yeah, I think we're just gonna round this little trail out and head on out. We're beat. Are you beat?
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat. We're heart beating. Okay, everybody. It does look pretty sweet back here. How's our day been so far?
It's fun.
Been pretty fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I think this is gonna wrap this video up. And tomorrow, I don't know if we'll head to Portland, but we're definitely heading down the coastline, down the 101. So, like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.